Hey guys, Dr. Shoshany here. I'm not wearing my scrub because I'm the patient. Dr. Austin is here. He's my new chiropractor. He's your new chiropractor. So, you know, I practice what I preach, so I'm gonna be getting adjusted. So let's do it, Doc. Where do you want me?
Let's go face down first. All right. Breathe in for me and breathe out.
Oh, gosh, good.
Perfect. Breathe in and breathe out.
Oh.
Nobody easier to adjust than another chiropractor.
Oh.
Perfect. One more.
Oh.
Perfect. All right. Let's get that low back. I'm thinking right side up facing me first, all right? There you go. Breathe it out.
Oh, that's good.
Perfect. Other side.
So as you can see, he's not holding back. He's not shy. So that's good. That's what we want. Oh, there we go.
Nice. All right, everything moved well.
Yeah.
Let's go on your back. Get this last segment for you. Nice. Breathe in for me. Breathe out. Close that jaw. A little pull. Perfect. All right. How you feeling?
Feeling good. All right, guys. Feeling good. Like I said, practice what I preach. I've been getting adjusted once a week, probably for the last 30 plus years. So thank you for being here. And you'll be taking care of our patients.
Excited to start.